Okay, so today I have a very impromptu unboxing. This is for an Apple Watch product. It is a Tom's Apple Watch band in solid olive, I think is what it's called. There we go. Anyways, so it's green, kind of see there, it's pretty cool. All right, so for the 42mm Apple Watch is what I have. And the cool part is that it gives 1 year of solar power, solar light to someone in need. So this was pretty cool that you could still give back even though just buying like an accessory like this. All right, so it's pretty easy packaging, it's really cool. Just magnetized on the side here. Pull that up, there it is. And I like the little leather there. Give me this little pamphlet. It says, one watch band equals 1 year of solar light. The need, about 1.2 billion people lack access to safe, reliable electricity. Little twist ties, which are still annoying. Come on. One. Give me the watch band. Two, got it. All right, so I have the 42mm stainless steel Apple Watch. Let's go ahead and take this wristband off. I have the Milanese loop as well, which is my favorite, but it's comfortable, but I'd rather just wear the fluoroelastometer band is what they call them, the sport bands. Sometimes they're easy to go, sometimes no. Okay. Which way do I want this to go? Well, dropped it. Good thing it's on carpet. Okay. So put that in there. Boom. It's so easy to pop these on. As I say. Boom. Okay. Put that on here. Wait, do I want it to go this way? It's real rigid. Ooh, that's nice. Matches my shirt. Oh, that's nice. Alright, so there it is. Green band. That's pretty cool. I mean, it's pretty comfortable. I don't even know what to call this material. It's kind of, it's like woven. I don't know. It's nice. It smells like nothing. Alright, so there it is. Tom's Apple Watch. Solid olive wristband. Pretty cool for the Apple Watch. Alright, well that was my first unboxing, and I have another big unboxing that is planned for the next couple weeks whenever it gets here, because it's on back order and I ordered it about a month ago and it flies around. So many of you can probably guess what that is. So I hopefully will be able to do an unboxing for that soon, and then I'll post that video. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.